Is your Pioneer Xumo TV constantly disconnecting from Wi-Fi? This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to stream your favorite shows. The primary reasons for these disconnections often stem from three main issues: weak Wi Fi signal, outdated software, or conflicting devices. First, ensure your modem and router are properly connected and that other devices can connect to your Wi Fi network. Your network setup should look like this diagram, with your modem connected to your router and your devices connecting through the router. Restart both your modem and router to refresh the connection. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, verify that you've selected the correct Wi-Fi network name, called the SSID, on your TV and are entering the correct password. Remember, Wi-Fi passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you're entering uppercase and lowercase letters exactly as they appear. If the problem persists after trying these basic steps, you may need to move on to more advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions can resolve persistent Wi-Fi issues. First, improve your Wi-Fi signal strength by repositioning your router closer to your Pioneer Xumo TV. For the most stable connection, consider using a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. This eliminates wireless interference and provides consistent internet speeds. Check for software updates on your Pioneer Xumo TV. Navigate to Settings, then Device Settings, then About to find available updates. Outdated software often causes connectivity problems. Clear the app cache to resolve software conflicts. This removes temporary files that may be causing connection issues. Note that you will need to sign back into your apps after clearing the cache. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This will erase all your data and settings, returning the TV to its original state. You will need to set up everything again from scratch. Check for conflicts with external devices. Unplug any HDMI or USB cables connected to your TV to rule out interference from external devices that might be causing connectivity issues. If problems persist after trying these advanced solutions, contact Xumo or Pioneer customer support for further assistance. They can help diagnose hardware issues or provide device-specific troubleshooting steps.